We're enormously proud of what we've achieved here, and it wouldn't have been possible without the Gardiner Foundation. The money that they provided as the first major community development grant then enabled us to build and pilot further programs across the dairy industry.
And what's a wonderful thing about the Gardiner Foundation support is that it has really focused on those development projects. So it allowed us to be innovative, look at new ideas and explore opportunities in ways that traditional funding models may not have allowed.
Hello, I'm Sue and I'm here in Hamilton today.
And I'm Alison and we're here at the National Centre for Farmer Health.
I grew up on a farm near here, and one of the things I noticed was that it wasn't unusual for me to know quite a few people that had been hurt or injured or had died prematurely. My great interest was really brought alive by their nursing and seeing farm men and women becoming unwell when they shouldn't have been. So that sparked a whole desire to develop a program with my colleagues that was called Sustainable Farm Families. The Gardiner Foundation provided their first major community development grant to sustainable dairy farm families. And we went right across Victoria in 2003, right up to 2007. What this grant allowed us to do was to deliver the program to dairy farmers across Victoria and refine it. But importantly, it allowed us to then receive funds from the Victorian Government that allowed us to spread it right across Victoria to all farmers.
And the Gardiner Foundation have continued to support the work of the National Centre for Farmer Health through our Back on Track program. This is a development program to design a new model of mental health support for our farming populations that taps into those trusted peer relationships between farmers and trained coaches to support mental health across those communities. The team at the National Centre for Farmer Health are really proud of the work that we do. We see every day and we hear from farmers the impact that our work has on making their lives better.
What's important about this story is that the Gardiner Foundation took a risk with us, they invested in us, and the small seed has actually grown into the National Centre, where we're still delivering projects over 20 years later, and we're very grateful for that.